Hello, welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today we're going to unbox the November 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's $28 a month, and you get to choose 3 products out of 2, full-size products. 2 of them Ipsy chooses for you based on your profile, and the other 3 you get to select from a little list they provide for you on the website. I'm going to unbox it today. Today I'm wearing eyeshadow. I'm wearing Steve Laurent. What color is this? Green apple. I think this is kind of the best eyeshadow, bright eyeshadow that I've ever gotten from the Ipsy Glam bag. Used to do the Ipsy Glam bag, but last year I decided to cancel that and do the Ipsy Glam bag plus, and I haven't regretted that decision. But for the glam bag, like the regular glam bag, I think this is the best eyeshadow I've ever gotten from it. I don't wear it all the time, but every so often I like to wear it, to kind of, I don't know. It's only certain outfits I can wear it with. I'm wearing a, pardon my ringtone. I'm wearing a Nobody Freaking Cares shirt, and it has an alien, so it kind of matches the shirt. And this is the eyeshadow. I love the eyeshadow. It's a bright color, but it's not like too obnoxious. It's just perfect for me. And I'm wearing this lipstick I got from like a mystery bag I ordered from Ipsy. It's a little nude color. It's pretty nice. I thought it'd go really good with the green. Okay, well, let's unbox the bag. Why don't we? Here's the bag. Let's unbox it. Unbag it, whatever. Here's the bag. It's really cute. It's really soft too. I like the material. A little gold string on it. I like this. Very soft. It doesn't feel like some of the bags feel cheap. This feels like, I don't know what kind of material, but it feels really nice and soft. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. First item I got, I think Ipsy chose this for me. Let me check. Yeah, Ipsy chose, no, I chose this one. It's a BFF Purifying Cleanser. And I think my friend Michelle Phoenix already got this, as too. It's a purifying cleanser. I was running out of cleanser, so I bought some. It's BFF Best Face Forward Purifying Cleanser, BHA, aloe vera, finger lime, and green tea. So it sounds like it's got like soothing ingredients. I kind of need that because my face tends to get red at times. So let's see the value of that one. The retail value. $24. That's not too bad. Okay, the next item. Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, Length and Volume. Thrive Cosmetics. That's pretty nice. I don't think I'll open it because I already got some mascaras open, but the packaging's very nice. It feels pretty nice quality too. Doesn't feel so plasticky. Maybe they'll make my lashes look longer. I don't know. They make those claims, but I think in the commercials for eyelash mascara and stuff, they use extensions and stuff. But we'll see how it works. Let me see what the retail value of it is. $24. That's weird. Same price as the cleanser. Let's see what else we got. Got Kimchi Thaler blush. I don't know how you say that. I don't know. This was a tough kind of choice. Like what they selected for me. I was wanting to get a face mask that was pumpkin, and they had this as a choice. I'm like, it was a tough decision, but I went with a blush because I tend to get a lot of skincare anyway, and I love Drag Race. like watching that show. I don't, I think they have it on Paramount now, but, like when they show like reruns on TV, I'll watch it. It says it's inspired by his favorite cartoon series. I like kimchi. My favorite drag queen on Drag Race is what's her name? Vanjie. Oh my goodness, she's a hoot. She's crazy. That one part, or that one time, like they talked about Meryl Streep, and then she's like, "Who dat?" I never forgot that ever since then. They're crazy. It's funny, like, "Who dat?" Let me open up the blush. I hope this is we'll see if it's Shantae You Stay or Sashay Away. We'll see how it is. Ooh, this is cute. Kind of reminds me of like a Polly Pocket. You remember those? I don't know. I love Polly Pockets or anything like little wee toys with a little. That's what it reminds me of. Let me mute my. Try to open this. That's what it looks like. Isn't that cute? Pretty colors. That's a. I can't really pick it up on camera, but it's very pearlescent. That's the one. Let me turn off my light. Maybe make it easier to see the color. Oh, kind of see it a little better. That's a very. This one on this side, it's kind of pearlescent. Looks like it's very light. Okay. That's the shade right there. You don't really pick it up on camera. But that's perfect for me because I have very pale skin. I put anything too dark, it looks kind of clownish. So I like this color. That one's a more darker color. The other one you can't really pick up on camera, but it's pretty nice. I like it. Oh, it has a magnetic closure. See? Ooh, I like that. It's so cute. I like the packaging. Alrighty. See what's next. Tea Tree Control Green Mud Mask. And that's a mask. Little add-on. $3 add-on. Thought I could use it for like a mask. I'm not going to call it Mask Monday. I'm just going to call it Mask Time with Saffron. Everybody else calls it Mask Monday, but I may not film it on Monday, so. And then, I don't think that mud mask had a retail value. And I need to look at the retail value of the kimchi mask. Or kimchi blush, sorry. How much was the blush? I love that packaging. So adorable. $15, that's not bad. I don't know if that mask has a retail value since it's like a sample size. Let me see. It doesn't just say the price. This is an eye cream I got, or eye rescue therapy by Able Skincare London. Let me dim the lighting so you can see a little better. That's what it looks like. And Ipsy chose this for me. Let's see. I think it's a eye rescue therapy. It's an eye cream. $116. Oh my goodness. That's why I like to subscribe to these things, because you get expensive things you can't afford. Unless you subscribe to a subscription, you know. Whew. Will not pay that for that. For a little bitty tube, $116. Alrighty, here's the last item. So I got 2 BFF products. I got a BFF cleanser and I got a BFF balancing serum. So open her up. Alrighty. I think Michelle Phoenix got this as well. Let's see what the retail value of it is. Alright. Yeah, and Ipsy chose this for me. This is the... Okay, the serum's $39. Yeah, these are the 2 items Ipsy chose for me, and the other items I chose. So, and that's all for the bag, except for the little card. Here's a little card. And it's Royal Treatment. Your throwing awaits. Lather on ultra moisturizing formulas adorned with accessories and indulge in extra dessert because this month it's all about you. Has like makeup tips and stuff. Usually just throw this away. Ipsy gift cards. Cool. That's about it. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. Please follow me on social media. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.